Hello, 83, Mr. Brown here. Hope everybody's doing well. Just want to take the opportunity to tell you how much I miss you guys, and I certainly hope that you and your family members and loved ones are all being safe and sound and are doing well. Today, I just wanted to make a quick video just sort of explaining what we're doing for the next couple of days, as well as how to get the work, okay, how to find the work and things like that, in case there was any doubt, okay? A lot of you might know this, so forgive me, but for the time being, just follow along with me. So you can see right now that I'm in my our 8.3 remote learning screen, okay? And if we just go up to classwork, always, what I'm doing now is I am putting all the work at the top so you don't have to go looking for it. Okay, I've got a common blizzard analysis there, the video that you guys did already, and then a question, what did you miss most about everyday normal life? But below that, you can see that I've actually got our folders. So the top folder is April 29th and 30th, the Knock Knock poem that we're doing today. Prior to that, I've got April 27 and 28 Common Lit. That was the Backyard Then. April 24th, the Independent Reading Log. April 22nd and 23rd, the Blizzard poem, as well as the Flipgrid. Okay, so you'll always go into up to classwork, and you'll find that folder for the 2 days. It at the very top there, and you can see where I name it with the dates, and then I give it like a hyphenated date name there. So in this case today, we are working on April 29th, which is now, and the 30th, which is tomorrow, which is when it will be due, and we're working on these two particular assignments today. So the first one is the Knock Knock assignment. Let's go over it. Okay. Uh, If I click on that, you will see that I'm in the assignment, and it says attached you will find a PDF for the Common Lit assignment Knock Knock. Attached is a Google Doc of multiple choice and discussion questions based on the reading. You are to highlight your answers in yellow. Okay, so you're going to read the poem, take notes based on reading of the poem for annotation, and answer the multiple choice questions in the Google Doc by highlighting your answer and answer a prose constructed response question. Okay, you can see I've got it in Spanish there as well. If I look down, I have the Common Lit, which if I open up, gives me the actual poem. Okay, you can see the poem there. Okay, you don't have to do the text dependent questions in the PDF because it can't be modified. So you're just going to read the poem. Okay, Knock Knock. Okay, and later on I'll do a video based on this poem to help us out as far as the meaning, theme, literary devices, etc. Okay, so it's a kind of a long poem, so give that a read. After you're done, you are going to go into the Knock Knock uh, Google document. Okay, now I wasn't able to make a document for every student for this one, so you're probably going to have to. I know some of you are savvy enough, tech savvy enough, that you can make your own document and then submit it. Okay, so you have directions for the following questions. Choose the best answer or respond in complete sentences, and then highlight your answer. So if your answer is a particular one, you are going to highlight it and in yellow. Okay, let me fix that. Okay, and that goes for the 4 questions that are multiple choice. And then you have a prose constructed response question. Answer the prompt below using the RACE strategy. We talked about the RACE strategy um, in the classroom. Okay, so that's going to be a prose constructed response based on the prompt. Okay, now if we go back, let me close that up. There are actually 2 oh, by the way, I should mention very quickly that Gongala Knock Knock is for Miss Gongala's class, excuse me, Miss Gongala's students. If you'd rather use that particular document, feel free to use that one. All right, but you'll also notice that within the April 29th and 30th Knock Knock folder, we have 2 assignments going on. Okay, so we have the Knock Knock poem, which we just went over, and then we've got another one, which is a Select Your Poem poetry project. Okay, and in that project, you are going to select a poem. you're gonna any poem of your choice, so you can do a search and find the poem you need to. Okay, if you need to do a search, but feel free to find any poem that you would like, or it could be something that we did over the school year. Okay, so just choose something. Okay, get to know the poem, read it a little bit, and what you're going to do is you're going to answer the questions in the Google Doc attached, and that's called selected poem questions. Okay, now if I go down to the selected poem questions and I can open that up, I can see the Google Doc. Now this, you'll have your own, you can put your name in there, but you will certainly have your own document. You're going to cut and paste your selected poem, the poem that you've chosen, um, select it wherever you find it and whatever website you find it, and paste it here. And then you are just going to answer discussion questions at the bottom. Okay, so for example, why do you believe the author wrote this poem? Number two, what is the purpose of the poem? What would you say is the main idea, etc.? And there's 5 questions to be answered there. And then you can submit that. So you'll be done with that. Okay, let me close that up and go back to the instructions. Now that's part A. If you take a look at part B, you could certainly leave this for tomorrow. I'm going to have a Flipgrid topic, okay, and that topic is going to be our poem. And you are going to create a video where you're going to record yourself reading aloud your selected poem, the poem that you've selected. I think we know this already. You don't have to show your face or anything like that, but you know, make it creative and read your poem out loud. Okay. When you take a selfie at the end, if you do take a selfie, make sure that you write the name of your poem with your selfie. If you do that, all right. And the criteria, some of the rubric for the poem being read aloud will be a clear voice, good expression, and enthusiasm. Okay, so these are going to be the 2 assignments over the next couple of days. Um, again, we've got Knock Knock poem, Common Lit, and we've got select your own poem poetry project, which will require you to finish the Google Doc and then create a Flipgrid video, which we'll do tomorrow. Okay, so that's everything that needs to be done. I just want to go over one more time that you always go to classwork and you will always find everything at the top of the page. Okay, April 29th and 30th, Knock Knock, April 27th and 28th, Common Lit, the Backyard Then. Okay, and you'll find all your assignments in these particular folders. I hope this helped. Always reach out to me. I look forward to hearing from you and take care. Bye bye.